Yo team, what is going on? Justin or OV Update back again with another video, and today guys we are going to be rating your outfits you guys sent me on direct message. I posted on my story earlier today to send me your collections, and I want to see what heat you guys got. I know some of you guys have sent me some stuff in the past, such as Murakami, Bear Bricks. I've seen some hoodies lined up all across the bed. I've seen some of the Jordans in like the full shoe clock, the full OVO set, and much more. So I'm super excited to see what you guys sent me on DM. But yo, before we do get into today's video, I need you guys to drop a like, drop a subscribe down below, because half of you guys watching the video aren't even subscribed. So go log in, go do all that and subscribe, because it really does help the channel, and I could push more videos per week if you guys do show the support. I know the around 500-700 people that come back for every video, I really do appreciate it, but we do need to keep growing. So with that being said, like, comment and subscribe down below. It does help the channel a ton. And without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So as you guys can see on screen now, we have my DMs all loaded up from today. I didn't open any of them up on purpose because I wanted to open them together and get my genuine reaction to your collections. So starting it off with the first guy, we got Concepcion. Thank you for sending in your collection. We got the hats. Okay, so right off the bat, I do like how we posted up all the hats nicely lined up in a photo. Just the hats, guys, just the hats. No tees, no hoodies. As you guys can see here, we got the wool gray hat. This one is actually pretty rare. So just based off this photo and this runner one right here, I could tell this guy's been doing it for a while. So we got the navy, we got the familia hat, the pom-pom, and of course all the OG owls in the back. Another piece that I do see in your collection is this one right here, the side owl hat. One of the more slept on pieces. Personally, that is definitely one of my favorite in your collection. So thank you, Concepcion, for sending that in. And let's move on to the next guy. We got Julian, and he said, starter story, just caught the gray Murakami. Awesome piece. I think this is the best hoodie from the full Murakami collection. There you guys can see, looking good with the matching keychain. Okay. Next up, he does have the Scorpion hoodie again. I have both of these pieces, both essential to the collection, man. Honestly, the design on both of these hoodies are amazing, and the Scorpion runner or the Murakami cannot go wrong with both of those at all. Personally, I would go for the Murakami over the Scorpion runner. What do you guys think? Would you guys pick the Murakami or would you pick the Scorpion? I'm going with the Murakami. Next up, we got OVO Deshawn. He sent me a link to a Google Drive of his full collection, guys. Let's see what he's rocking with, man. He's got a full video, 2 minutes long, but let's go see what he's got through here, man. Starting off with some albums. They got the slides, the 8s, the sweats. My guy really put together a full video of all his stuff, so let's go take a look at these hoodies. He's got the Scorpion as well, the OG Owl, the Collegiate, as well as some tracksuits, the navy piece, polos. Wow, he's got a great collection. Yo, Deshawn, you got a good collection just off the first minute I've seen of this video. Super dope, man. Super dope. The Arabic, OG Owl, the sound, all of that, man. Good pickups. Guys, he is still going with the collection. More tees, more OG Owls. There are the OVO 12s. Guys, if you guys know me, you know my favorite Jordans are the OVO 12s. Essential to the collection. Super clean. Got the Mr. Cartoon sticker, as well as the full international set. I'm talking the tee, the hoodie, and the pants. My guy went full out on that collection. I honestly love that collection, and I really hope to grab the hoodie one day, especially in that forest green. Again, we got the USA OG Owl. My guy's got plenty t-shirts. Plenty t-shirts. And even the UK hoodie, guys. Super sick piece. Chicago as well. Deshawn, I'm giving you a 10 out of 10 for that collection, man. Crazy heat. From the Jordans to the hoodies to the tracksuits. Deshawn, thank you so much for sending in your collection. You're getting a 10 automatically. All right, guys, moving on. We got Ovo Goats. He sent a quick video of some of the drip he got. Black Murakami, both colors of the Black Murakami. We got the Scorpion Runner long sleeve with the Flower OG Owl. Tons of tees. The Six God hoodie, one of the best of last year. The biker jacket, tons of stuff. This video, I really like that D Squared t-shirt. I do want one of those in my collection, and the flannel as well. Goats, thank you for sending in your collection, bro. That was a solid video. You know what? You came through with the heat. I'm giving you a solid. You know, it wasn't crazy as Deshawn because he put out the sneakers, but I know you only had like a minute to show your stuff, but I'm gonna give you a solid 8.5 out of 10. You know what? He had the Murakami, he had the essential pieces of last year, Ovo Raptors, so you cannot go wrong at all with that. 8.5 for you, my guy. Thank you for sending in your collection. Guys, next up we have Quinn B13. He sent in some fire photos I could already see off the top. Look at that, guys. So in the back row, we have the OG USA, the OG Camo, as well as the hockey jersey. I'm pretty sure that is in the back right. Guys, look at this. He's got 1, 2, 3 Murakami t-shirts. All the OG Owls lined up in the front. And there's that international collection I was talking about with the, is that the blue long sleeve or blue hoodie? Either way, that logo is super fire. We got the 416 Dice t-shirt. This one was actually designed by the Comme des Garçons logo guy, Philippe, as well. And even some newer releases such as the Toronto Skyline t-shirt. This one was super slept on, especially in the black colorway. And even the Scary Hours right there. He sent another photo as well, just a different view. Quinn, bro, you got a serious collection. I'm giving you a solid, I'm gonna give you a 9 out of 10 for that photo. Missing out on the Ovo Jordans and some other collaborations, but I do see you got some of those Serenas and Travis's, so I see you got the kicks. No Ovo Jordans though in those photos, but besides all that good stuff, man, I'm giving you a 9 out of 10. All right, guys, so next up we got MB Wavy sending in a few photos from his Ovo collection. We got a little accessory cabinet. I really do like how a lot of people are putting these together now. I know a lot of people have taken some inspiration off of mine, but I love to see this. So we got the water bottle, we got the beanie, as well as the bandana. That bandana is honestly super essential. I love mine, and I'm definitely not getting rid of that anytime soon. We got the envelope. Again, he's using stuff you get for free in the orders as display pieces. I've done that as well in the past, whether it's with boxes. Definitely get to put some of those stuff on display. He's got the stickers and the keychains. Moving on to the clothes, he does have, I can see he's got that OG Owl. I think my friend before had that as well. The collegiate, of course, essential pieces, as well as a hoodie and some regular t-shirts. So MB Wavy, super sick collection, bro. I'm gonna give you a solid 8 out of 10. You know, he had the accessories, had the hoodie, had the t-shirt. Again, the Jordans, those are next. But guys, moving on, we got my man right here, Ovo collection for the video. He's got the Raptors. Just wore those today actually with the Murakami. As you guys can see, Murakami is a huge trend with these collections. There he goes. He's got the t-shirts. And you know what I do want to point out? I want to point out the hangers, guys. The nice wooden hangers. A lot of you guys got the little plastic ones. Upgrade your hangers, guys. Upgrade your hangers. The Someday t-shirt, one of my favorites. And that Ovo Roots right there. Super dope collection, bro. Thank you for sending that in. Again, I'm going to give you a solid 8 out of 10. Repping the Owl. He had the Ovo Raptor 4s, which I really do like. So I'm going to give you an 8 out of 10 for that collection. Next up, we have Isaac Ovo. He sent some of his posts in. As you can see, the runner hoodie. We have the OG. Wow. Isaac, I don't know if you know, but this is a crazy OG piece right here. Drake actually wore this back in the Take Care days, 2012. Crazy piece. The Diamond Owl, Ovo Raptors, and Ovo Jordan as well. Actually, he's got the OG OVO Jordan t-shirt from the 10. Super, super dope. And of course, there are the kicks as well. So thank you for sending in your collection. I really did like the variety. You had the OG, you had the new, you had the shoes. I'm giving you a solid 8 out of 10. If you guys did enjoy rating your collections, let me know and I'll do more in the future. And with that being said, guys, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.